वेलकम टू प्रिंस स्टूडेंट हाउस। स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा हम 60 वर्ड एवरी मिनट से डाल रहे हैं स्पीडोग्राफी सर जेडीबी से, वो आपको बहुत यूज़फुल रहेगी। जब आप स्पीड पे आते हैं उससे पहले आप उसको लिखिए, ट्रांसक्राइब कीजिए, चेक कीजिए, अपनी मिस्टेक डेली निकालिए और आगे बढ़ते रहिए। हमारा प्रयास यही है कि हम हर दिन एक डिक्टेशन दे रहे हैं। लगभग 2 डिक्टेशन हमारी जा रही है, जो 180 वर्ड्स प्लस 180 वर्ड 360। तो 60 वर्ड्स है मिनट। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 15 एंड 16। रेडी, स्टार्ट। सर, गर्ल्स एजुकेशन इज फ्री थ्रू आउट द कंट्री अप टू क्लास 12. In certain states, it is free even at college level. The district primary education project lays special emphasis on female literacy. 60% of the total learners in the National Literacy Mission are women. 50% of the teachers recruited under the scheme of Operation Blackboard will be women. The scheme has created a new awareness among women and has generated demand for education. A new scheme of residential primary schools for the weaker sections in rural areas is being worked out. The government is committed to the program of vocationalization of education at +2 stage. The national policy on education emphasizes that vocational courses should cover 10% of the higher secondary students by 1995 and 25% by the year 2000. Under the centrally sponsored scheme of vocationalization, vocational courses have been approved in schools, creating a capacity for diversion of 9 lakh students to the vocational streams, covering 11% of the enrollment at +2 stage. Next, it gives a thrust for women's education through the creation of additional jobs of 90,000 women in new polytechnics as against 2,000 colleges. There are 9,000 colleges. Distant education, which includes correspondence courses, account for 12% of the total enrollment in higher education. India produces the largest number of graduates in the world. Provision of free education to all children up to the age of 18 years is enshrined in the directive principles of the state policy determined efforts have been made to achieve this goal. The number of primary schools has increased and the number of teachers has also increased accordingly. The gross enrollment increased from 40% to 95% in 50 years. For upper primary, the gross enrollment ratio has increased from 12% to 67% during these years. In other words, 95% of the rural population living in 8 lakh habitants have a school within a walking distance of 1 kilometer and 80% have the school within a walking distance of 3 kilometers from their homes. Stop.